So what I'm going to use, I'm going to use this Snap-on borescope. It's a digital camera. It takes movies, takes pictures, and it's Bluetooth. We have this, which is the receiver, and it's your view screen. We have this, which is your handle and all that jazz, processor, whatever's in there, and here's your camera. Now this one, this is an additional add-on for this, and the whole point of this video is to tell you it's worth its weight in gold. It was like 350 bucks just for this add-on, separate. It's not what comes with the camera. This one detects fluorescence and fluorescent dye. It's ultraviolet. Check out how good it looks. I'm going to stick it up in one of these vents and show you. Even though I could have made a pretty good, intelligent and experienced guess based on process of elimination that I've looked over this entire system of this truck. It's a 2002 Chevy K1500 pickup, and it's got a pretty serious air conditioning leak. It leaks down overnight. So we know it's pretty severe. There's dye in the system. I can find no trace of dye anywhere that I can access. So process of elimination, if I can't find it anywhere else, it's got to be the evaporator core, right? Sure. But what if it was a smaller leak? What if it wasn't that simple? You know, and to be honest, most of the time you can figure it out without this tool, but this tool just proves what it is, and it's nice to have it to show the customer because I can take a movie or a still frame picture. So let me show you what that's about. All right, so I got it hooked up, I got it turned on, got the camera on, the wand on. Here's my little Snap-on remote, receiver. Oh, the wand's not on. Let me turn that on. There we go, and in a minute it'll pick it up and you'll get an image. Let me show you. Here we go. All right. Now we got a screen. I'll show you what the camera looks like. Here's the camera. Ultraviolet. And you can see this. See the camera. Picture the camera looking into the camera. Okay? It kind of looks pretty good, right? It's not a bad picture. But watch what it looks like under here. All right, so where am I going to put it? I think the best place to put it I can't get up here so you can see it. Is this access right here? I'm going to go right up into this, right in this tube, right up in that tube with this wand. So I'm going to feed that wand up in there. Feed this wand into this tube so I can get up into there and see what's up there. And I'm going to let you see the screens for yourself, and you can see how awesome it is when we find the dye, what it looks like. Now we're moving along. Here we go. Look at that dye. See that dye? Let me get up here so you can see it better. Hang on. Be patient. See that dye down the lower left hand of the screen? See how shiny that is, how good that looks? Very clearly. So as I'm coming up into there, where the evaporator core is housed, see that dye, how it lights up? It's glowing in there. See if I can get a little bit even closer picture. There it is. That's it. That's it. See that illuminance? Look how messed up that is in there, how much dye's in there. See it all? So there's no question of what's going on in there. No question. Just wanted to share with you guys how wonderful this tool is, how awesomely it works. And that's definitive, man. There's no question. So now I can take a movie or a picture, or whatever I want, still frame or a picture or a little movie on that receiver, and I can show it to the customer. There's no doubt about it, that's what's leaking. I mean, you know it's leaking anyway, but what if the leak was much smaller, right? Then you would really not be able to just guess. Process of elimination, you really want to get in there and see it. There you go.